All right, here we are. Here it is. Thank you. Bigster is the new Dacia flagship. Bigster has been part of Dacia's DNA right from the beginning. Discovering Bigster, you will be amazed to see how, by redefining what's essential on a C-SUV, we've succeeded in creating a vehicle that ticks all the boxes of what's expected at this level of range, while remaining price competitive and true to ourselves. Thus, the Dacia Bigster offers electric adjustable seats, a sliding sunroof, dual-zone climate control, an exceptional interior space, including a super spacious 667-liter trunk. And all this with a generous 4.57-meter length. But we haven't just redefined the essential. We've also made Bigster an eco-smart car, a concrete embodiment of responsible mobility. Bigster comes with a brand new range of 100% electrified vehicle, including a 155 horsepower full hybrid. Thanks to our CMF-B platform, we've made Bigster a light C-SUV without overloading it, with 150,000 kilograms less than average competition. The engine needs less power, consumes less fuel, and emits less CO2, all in a virtuous cycle. And if you take a look at the protectors that wrap around the body, you'll see they're made from Starkel. This material, created by Dacia engineers, contains now up to 20% recycled polypropylene. In short, Bigster is a real Dacia, true to the brand, responsible and accessible at a fair and honest price. I would even say at a Dacia price. This car, starting price, will be below 25,000 euro for the ACE model and will be below 30,000 euro for the full hybrid model. At a time when other OEMs are selling their C-SUVs at even higher prices, we are entering this market with a very attractive offer, on average 20% cheaper than any other car manufacturer. And to achieve this, we did two things. First, we went out and met with 400 different customers across Europe, mostly in Germany, heart of the C segment, to listen and understand their real needs and expectations for the C segment. Second, we applied the recipe that made us so successful from the start, design to cost. Design to cost is very simple. Normally, car manufacturers build the vehicle starting with the design of the product that they want, and then they go to supplier and ask for the best price. And the result of this is the cost of the part and the cost of the vehicle. At Dacia, it's simple. We do the exact opposite. We start with a retail price, less than 25,000 euro. And from this price, we define the maximum cost of each and every part. And only then we start to work with our supplier, with our engineering team, and of course, our design team to develop each part respecting the target cost. This is precisely what we call design to cost, a car design from the price at which we know that it will meet our customer expectations. Obviously, our new Bigster is set for conquest, the C segment, Bigster's playground, which is growing fast. By 2025, C-SUV alone will account for 23% of the global market, with 3 million cars sold in Europe. Just imagine the opportunities that lies ahead. This is a huge growth to seize, and we will have our place in this market. In a nutshell, Bigster will do in the C segment what Dacia has been doing well in the B segment for more than 20 years. We truly believe that Bigster will attract new customers, C-segment customers who are not yet familiar with our brand. And this is just the beginning, as 2 more C-segment models are still to come in the future.